Tower beam the air ambulance.
Center 2-3, roger. Hold position, landing traffic.
Position, Allison 2-3.
Formula 1, continue straight ahead to the end, then 180 and hold.
Straight ahead to the end, 180 and hold, Formula 1.
Center 2-3, hold position. The 146 will be taxiing to the end of the runway. He will then 180 and hold position.
Tower off 25 plus 1 arrived at crash gate 5. That's us complete for the day. Thank you very much. Off 25.
Center 2-3 taking off.
25 button. Center 2-3. Hold position and confirm again your destination.
145, we're holding this down, so when possible we'd like to get down to the localizer.
Third left at Bravo, you'll be positioning on the eastern apron between Bravo and Alpha.
Backtrack, vacate Bravo, hold on the eastern apron between Bravo and Alpha, Formula 1.
And we stay outside of controlled airspace, and when instructed we will switch over to
213 Alpha, correct, and via Alpha, enter backtrack, line up and wait runway 23.
We will be able to depart by Alpha, and we line up runway 23 by Alpha, Rocky 213 Alpha.
Expect approximately a 5-minute delay for your departure.
That's copied, 213 Alpha.
This is Golf Bravo Yankee Echo Mike, 46176.
Bravo Yankee Echo Mike, Kim Massage, John report down.
Joy, right downwind Golf Echo Mike.
QFE sir 1014, QNH 1015.
QNH 1015, Golf Echo Mike.
Formula 1, Fox 7725.